Welcome to a quick breakdown of STL's Telco Edge manifesto, which lays out how we feel the industry should be addressing the edge computing opportunity. We at STL still firmly believe that edge computing presents significant growth opportunities for telecoms operators. This claim stems from a belief that the industry could be on the brink of an AWS moment. In the 1990s, Amazon was a hungry e-commerce business, operating on slim margins and looking for any opportunity for growth. Having identified an internal need for compute infrastructure, which was impeding its ability to scale, Amazon built a set of skills, capabilities, and solutions to solve this problem. Subsequently, it pursued an ambitious strategy to monetize this infrastructure with others, disrupting an IT industry that it did not previously play in. It did this by creating a compelling commercial proposition that lowered the barrier for cloud adoption by making cloud resources something developers could buy with a credit card and cancel at any time. Telcos should mimic this success by following Amazon's approach. First of all, be your own customer first and look to solve a crucial internal need that you have. In the case of edge computing, the internal need we have identified is to successfully run large-scale distributed compute deployments to handle cloudified network workloads. Secondly, having implemented the solution internally, evaluate if others might have similar challenges themselves, and if so, pursue monetization of this proposition with these players. In edge computing, telecoms operators have an advantage in comparison to Amazon, who still had to handle the likes of Microsoft, Google, Oracle, and IBM, all also pursuing the same opportunity. Telcos, in comparison, have a unique opportunity to monetize edge computing because they have a unique control point. An application will only perform better at the edge if the network operator chooses to enable the traffic to locally break out for processing. With edge computing, we believe that telcos could achieve their own version of the AWS moment. Much of the investment required to make network edge a reality has either already been made or has already been committed to. While there is some incremental investment needed to develop a compelling edge proposition and route to market, there are a wealth of prerequisites that we believe are already well underway. This includes, but is not limited to, 5G standalone rollout, cloud-native skill sets and processes, and expertise in the compute hardware, including the underlying silicon, and the multi-vendor orchestration and automation capabilities that will be required. In the manifesto, we lay out 4 key recommendations for the telecoms industry. First of all, we argue that telcos should go further than Amazon ever did. They should redefine themselves as distributed compute businesses first and foremost. Edge computing today is treated as a much lower down priority in comparison to telco networks. For many, edge workloads are seen as awkward, as threatening to take away valuable network resources, and as not making the businesses much money. Instead, telcos should think of themselves as distributed compute businesses that happen to have a considerably important anchor use case of the network. This will ensure that appropriate resources are prioritized to turn distributed computing into a core competency with equal criticality to network engineering. Secondly, deliver on Telco Edge federation. If telcos do not embrace this, and embrace it fast, then they will neither own their own destinies, nor become significant market leaders in the edge space. Number 3, understand that doing it alone is not an option. Be humble but ambitious when partnering at the edge. Being ambitious ensures telcos are prepared to partner a lot, in a diverse number of ways and intelligently. Humility ensures that telcos target partners for whom Telco Edge actually provides real value, taking a learn and then scale approach. And lastly, ensure solutions teams view edge computing as an enabler rather than always as a product in its own right. Telcos do not sell RAN. They sell the solutions, voice, and data services that rely upon it. Telcos should acknowledge that the business case for edge computing will be created at least partly when they offer new solutions that are enabled by it. For more information or to dive into any of these recommendations in more detail, go check out the manifesto on our website, or get in touch to discuss the host of resources, materials, and services that we offer to our customers.